answer that, my liege, is how we know the earth to be banana-shaped.
It's amazing, Mr. Lancelot. Now explain to me again how sheep's bladders can prevent earthquakes.
Certainly, sir. Quickly, sir, we must choose a path. How about Camelot?
Camelot.
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 It's only a model.
Shut up. On second thought, let's not go to Camelot, for it's a silly place.
Let's go to the forest. We're off to see the forest, the wonderful forest biome.
Dismount.
Isn't this a lovely biome, sir?
I do not want to buy a home, Lancelot. Camelot is my home.
Not buy a home, biome.
No, Lancelot. I don't know what type of land our horses tread upon. This could very well be the land of the knights who say "Ni" walk upon.
We're a deciduous forest, my liege. And yes, the knights who do say "Ni" live upon these woods. But they live down yonder by the kingdom of Mercia.
Do these woods dominate many parts of England?
Yes, my liege, but I know not how the animals and plants can survive in such adapted environments.
Animals of the biomes are adapted to use the plants for food and shelter. Plants adapt to the seasonal changes in their own way.
Yet squirrels eat nuts, seeds, and berries, and the bears feast on the leaves and berries of the forest plants, including the fees, the foes, and the orangutans, and the breakfast cereals. Also the home of the rabbits.
Like that one over there!
Liege, isn't that the same rabbit that killed half of our men?
By Jove, you're right!
Charge! Attack!